Hello, today I will show you how to cut audio in Audacity. First you need to open Audacity. Next, you need to open the audio file from which you want to cut the audio fragment. Next, you need to highlight the audio fragment that you want to cut. I'll play it first before I cut it so you can see it's the same part of the audio. To cut the selected audio fragment, you need to click on the icon with scissors. Next, you can close the previous track of the audio file. Next, you will need to add a new stereo track. In the new stereo track, it is necessary to paste a previously cut audio fragment. Next, I'll play the pasted audio so you can see that it's the same audio I cut earlier. Next, if necessary, you can save the cut audio file by exporting it to your preferred audio format. If this information was useful to you, leave a comment under the video and subscribe to the channel.